never be the same. Yeah, what's poppin', YouTube? It's King Bril coming back at you again with another video, man. Yes, it's been so long, and if you're watching this video, you already know that this is my 6-month lock journey video. I'm super excited to share with y'all the results, the updates, everything I learned new about locks in this very short amount of time, as well as showing y'all the progression that I've made. Please hit the like button, please subscribe, and please leave a comment before we even get started. Leave the little strong arm emoji, and we gonna go and get the business. Okay, so just a quick explanation. This is gonna be a pretty lengthy video, at least it feels that way as I'm planning it, but this video is gonna be 3 parts. The first part is the normal lock journey stuff where I show y'all pictures of my whole journey and my whole routine. The second part is gonna be me giving y'all like my maintenance schedule of how I got the retwist, or did I wash today, did I not, when did I do that, da-da-da-da. And then the third last part is gonna be all the adjustments that I have had to make since having locks. Cause those of you who watch this channel know that I had the braids, the twists, I had the curls. You know, I didn't record back then, but I had the waves for majority of my life. Now I have locks, and this is kind of like the last piece of my infinity stone when it comes to hair. All right, boom, so I got my laptop. Let's get into some of these progression photos. This video right here is what I like to call the last deep condition, right? So I'm deep conditioning my hair. This is when I had loose, natural hair. This is the last video that I took before I got my locks. This is me literally washing my hair, deep conditioning my hair. This is the last time my hair would feel that long, because when you first get locks, your hair is gonna shrink and the twist and all that stuff. So, and once again, this is September, and this is the whole process as I'm getting my locks done. First thing I want y'all to notice is, look at those parts. That's the most important thing when it comes to getting locks. Do not go to somebody who cannot part straight. You know what I'm saying? I come from cornrows and stuff, so I have a pretty high standard. She met the standard. See, just look at how crisp it is, how healthy my scalp is. You just know that this is a setup for a fire lock journey. You know what I'm saying? This is a little video. Is it gonna play? Is it gonna play? Okay, boom. Just showing you the other side and whatnot. This is me once I got home, just adjusting to it. I did not like the comb coils, the ends of my hair, because it just didn't feel like a lock, you know what I'm saying? I just felt like my hair is gonna come undone in a week, you know what I'm saying? That's what it felt like. And then, you know, you got locks and you're just eager to play with your hair. So I say, you know what? I'm gonna take a calculated risk. I said I'm gonna take a calculated risk, and I'm gonna blunt the ends of my hair. So if you don't know what blunting the end of your hair is, it's basically where you take the ends of your hair that it isn't locked, you use a crochet needle, and you pretty much do the crochet method to lock the very ends of your hair.
Come on, bro, you ain't subscribed yet?
See how the ends of my hair are now like, they look like locks now because I blunted ends of my hair. And it's like, you know, it looks like a lock as opposed to a twist. Probably help my hair lock faster overall. I don't want to see none of y'all biting my tattoos. Alright, don't bite my tattoos. Rule number 1.
Yo, what's happening, man? If y'all looking for some great natural hair care products, I suggest y'all slide over to richroyals.com. Now, if you got locks, I want you to go over there. I want you to cop the Majestic Mint Oil. It's gonna be a fire oil to use on your scalp to keep your scalp healthy. And then I want you to cop the Luxurious Lock Spray. It's gonna refresh your locks. It's gonna have them smelling good, them shining. If your locks ever get that dull look, it's gonna give you that shine that you need. And be sure to use the code LOCKMEUP to let them know that I sent you there. Lock me up at checkout, and you'll get a 10% discount.
So let's fast forward a little bit. This is me walking into the first retwist. I look homeless, crazy. I don't know. It looked like this lock right here. It looked like it died, and just, I don't know what happened. Like it was about to break off already. This is what it looks like after I got it washed. Much of it is about to come undone, but it felt healthy. So this is her doing my hair. I'm getting barrel twist for the first time. She killed it. Fire, fire, fire. And the reason why I've heard people say don't get styles your first time when you get in a lock. The whole reason why I went ahead and got it is because I didn't want to be doing constant length checks in the mirror when it comes to my hair. I wanted to be able to get locks and kind of forget about it like I do with cornrows. Just, you know, do my oiling a couple times, 3 times a week. Let's fast forward to the end of October to see how they held up. That lineup saves you. See, you can get barrel twists and all you need is a lineup. It's like having cornrows. This is me in New York right here, you know what I'm saying? See the camo, you see the angle, you see what I'm going for. I wanted the $1 pizza, I got 4 of them, 5. So this is like November. I want to see what it's like to take the barrel twist out, because I know the barrel twist ain't gonna hit as hard as 2-strand twist when I take them out. Right here, this is about a month ago. And I know I'm getting retwist every month. People say maybe you shouldn't do that every 4 to 6 weeks. But me, I feel like, you know, the process of washing, deep conditioning, and retwisting helps my hair a lot faster. So that's what I'm gonna do. Even though at this point, I might slow down, because right here is when I saw the most length and lock progress. Like, look at my hair right now. It looks almost completely locked. Like, I thought I had locks before, but this is the first time where I looked at my hair and it was like, this, I got locks. Like, and then let me show you from the front. So boom, right here, you see that? Now, granted, my hairline looks non-existent right here, right? It's okay, it's okay. It's because the locks are covering it, and I struggle with that because from the side right here, you know, if I shave the front down and I go lower than this on my front taper, then when you go from the side, then you really can't see. It just looks like forehead under here, and it's like, dang, it's like, it feels like my hairline starts back here, but no, it's like, it's front taper under here. You just can't, you know what I'm saying? You can't see it, you know what I mean? It's,
Come on, bro, you ain't subscribed yet?
not the hard point, but look at that length, and this is the very last retwist. You know what I'm saying? I got a house call, shout out to Lil' Cuz. She pulled up, she killed it. Look at those 2-strand twists. Killed it, and that's the style I got right now. You know what I'm saying? These are lasting a little bit longer. This was like right before Valentine's Day, like February 12th type. So boom, fire. You see that? I feel like I'm really in the lock community now. Now, at first, the first 2-3 months, it was like, oh, is he really gonna do it? Is he gonna cut it? Is he really here? Now this retwist it feels like I'm here. I'm a part of the lock community now. You see? Now I will say, what I have been thinking is, I have been thinking and asking myself, did I get my locks too thin? You know what I'm saying? That's one thought that has popped in my head. I have 108 locks, right, with a little front taper. So I'm like, okay, maybe should I have went with like 90 locks and got them a little bit thicker, and that might give me a little bit of an ability to like, cause I'm just thinking about it, right? Like, if you look at my lock per, you know, the square area of each part, right? How much hair and weight do you think that can hold? You feel me? Like, I really feel like the max I can do, the max amount of time I can have locks on with this parting is probably like, without combining them, it's probably like 5-6 years before I start to see some like deterioration of like my hair, start seeing my hair thinning, because this is gonna be a lot of weight. 5 years worth of hair on this same parting is gonna be a lot. It's not like, oh, I'm gonna take it out in a month and get a whole new style and a whole new redistribution of weight. How you get your hair parted is how it's gonna be parted for the next 5 years. So yeah, so that's the only thing I think about. Should I have gotten my hair, my locks a little bit thicker, and maybe not went 108 locks, but maybe should have went like 85, 90. But in terms of how it looks, that's just for the longevity of it. How it looks right now, I couldn't be happier. You know what I'm saying? You see what's going on. So let me give you a live look. It's been a month since that retwist. So this is the full results. I'm gonna give y'all a little side by side. So I'm gonna put myself right here. Boom. This might be the thumbnail, y'all. Boom. And then the side by side right here. If you were to pull it back and you were to see the rest of my head, you would see like, oh no, it's actually intact. It's just the forehead thing, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have a huge up forehead. I got the wide joint. So when you got the wide joint, you got adjustments, you know what I'm saying? But y'all gotta learn your hair, your forehead hair. If you need videos on understanding, you know, your hairline and how to get off with different head shapes and different hairstyles, even if you don't got locks, watch this video up here, or just search my channel and type in, you know, like weird hairlines or like big head or just weird head shapes, and the video should pop up telling you the whole game on that. It's been good for this video, man. Make sure y'all get that luxurious lock spray to keep your hair shining. You feel me? And that's been a fire 6-month lock journey. Appreciate y'all for watching. Watch part 2. It's literally on my channel. If you're seeing this, watch part 2, or else your mama's a hoe. Your mama's a hoe. All right? I'm sorry I had to say that. Peace.